Welcome to BankCard Pro's CRM account tracking software. In this training session, I'm going to teach you how to add a lead source in the Leads and Telemarketing section. On the user login page, you're going to add your username and password. You're going to agree to the terms of service and log in. And on the gray menu bar, you're going to click on DBA Leads. And you're going to see that all the active users working on leads. And let's say you're actually getting leads now from a referral partner. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down on the quick link section on the left side of the website. You're going to scroll down and you're going to edit the lead list names. And here you're going to see a list of all the lead sources, who owns those lead sources, and what is the visibility. Who do you want to share these leads sources with to be able to work on leads that are assigned to these categories. The date created, how many leads are in each section, and then you can edit the lead. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a new lead list option, and let's say I'm going to start getting leads from, let's say, Robert Jones CPA. And the visibility, I'm going to make it actually private just for me. Let's say just all users in my network then. And then for owner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign that I own this lead list name. And then what I'm going to do, if I want to, as an option, it's automatically going to assign visibility and access of these leads to all users in my network, which means if I'm a sales office user, and let's say I have 10 sales reps at my office working for me, and I set up 10 sales rep users in the system, all linked to my sales office user account, if I choose network, what that means is I will be able to see all leads in this lead list name, as well as all the 10 users that are sales reps users linked to my account as well. And that's what network is. Now let's say there's other users outside my network, and if you want to assign individual users outside your network, you can just scroll up and down and see all users, and just choose any users that you want to. Click on submit, and then you're done. Now what you could do is you'll see that your new lead list source has been added. You could click on edit, and what you'll do is you'll see a complete list of all users that are allowed access to any lead inside this lead list source that's added into the software. So here you're going to see all the users that are allowed to see it. You're also going to see all the admin users that are allowed to see it, just so that they can be able to manage and be able to support and train you and your sales reps for training purposes only. So it'll actually tell you individual users and everybody that's allowed to access this lead source. So now what you do is, this is CRM lead, and all these people can be able to access it. What we're going to do is go back to the lead system, add a new lead, and we're going to select the lead list name source. And right here you're going to see the source, Robert Jones CPA, which you just added and input into the system. You're going to choose a contact status level for this contact, and basically just choose whatever you want to choose. Choose the lead owner, which is CRM admin, telemarketer, Rose Hendricks. And then you could choose anything you want to. Scroll down, submit and view lead details. And actually, one of these fields, I input the wrong information. That's why that error showed. But if you go back to the DBA lead section, you'll see that it has been successfully added into the software, which shows up right here. So when we go to this, you're going to see all the information. We're going to edit, and just add any information that you want. Add the office number, whatever phone numbers that you want. Scroll to the bottom. You could submit and view the lead details, and everything's successfully submitted. And I actually input some funny character that caused that code error, but now everything's working fine. So what we're going to do is scroll down, and you can see the lead list name, Robert Jones. Now when you go back on the quick link section and you click on lead list names and you go to Robert Jones, you're going to see that there's one lead that's available in Robert Jones. Now when you click on edit leads, you're going to see that all these users are going to be able to see that one lead that's been assigned and dropped into the bucket for Robert Jones CPA lead list source. I'm going to sign out, and this will conclude this training session.